But here we are where Yanunuka misguided, who was advising the president or our former president, were not fair enough. If Parliament can do ABCD. So we are saying it's ZANU-PF. It's not MDC who impeached the president, but it's us, ZANU-PF, because we have already started in our central committee. We were having no MDC. Tatisina kana anyone angaripo. It was us alone, which we say the president must step down because of ABCD. So today, it's not such people can go around and talk about what they want. They need to know that it is ZANU-PF which impeached the president. It's not the parliament. We are the first people to say the president must retire now. We remove him. So I'm trying to tell all the people of Zimbabwe that it's us, ZANU-PF, who removed the president because of his wife. If he was alone, we were not going to remove him. But because of Missy Marijata, Araka Sukwere, Jonathan Moyo, and so on, which makes us as ZANU-PF to say, Mr. President, step it down. That's all.